Did you know debt can be your ultimate wealth tool? Welcome to Debt Can Make You Rich, revealing the tricks schools never teach. Forget bad debt. We're hunting good debt. ROI beats interest every time. Leverage is like a bicycle pedal. You must time your push. Financial leverage. Borrow small, win big. Just like Mr. Beast. Imagine, buy rental property, rent covers interest, you pocket the profit. Or an online startup. Borrow to bootstrap, watch profits multiply student. Borrow for skills, your income could skyrocket dozens fold. Debt is like fire. It can warm you or burn you. Step 1. Define your goal. Don't let debt haunt you like a ghost. Step 2. Pick good debt. Compare APR versus expected ROI. Step 3. Manage risk. Keep a 6-month emergency fund. The wealthy don't see debt, they see profit potential. Never blindly swipe a 24% APR credit card. That's classic bad debt. Consult experts, read the fine print. Don't let interest devour you. Case study, Mr. Beast borrowed for cameras. Million-view videos paid it off. See? Smart debt equals investing in your future. Erase the myth. Debt equals enemy. When the low-interest door opens, step through immediately. Borrowing isn't evil, reckless borrowing is. Want a million? Let debt be your lever. But remember, ROI must exceed interest. Rental property, startups, stocks. Opportunities are everywhere. Mindset matters. Debt can make you rich. Who says getting rich has to be dry? Think creatively and leverage finance. Don't fear starting. The first step is the most important. You just need a small idea and a bit of courage. Remember, no risk, no reward. Risks can be managed. That's the art. Split your loan, pay monthly interest, monitor closely. Risk management is like driving. Brake in time to avoid a crash. Stuck? Ask a mentor, someone experienced to guide you. You're not alone. The entrepreneur community has your back. Learn from failure. Each mistake is a precious lesson. Small victory? Celebrate. Every step is progress. Best time to borrow? When rates are low and markets are hot. Like buying a water park ticket? Pick a sunny day. 3 to 5% mortgage versus 8 to 10% rental yield? 5% goes into your pocket. That's leverage. Startups? Borrow $100,000, earn $500,000. That's heavenly ROAS. ROAS. Return on ad spend. How many dollars of profit per ad dollar? Always compare ROI versus APR before signing. And don't forget your buffer. 6 months living costs. Crisis? You're safe. Debt won't strangle you. A reserve fund is like armor, protecting you from any surprise. Generate passive income. Rent, dividends, royalties. Passive doesn't mean lazy. Build your empire. Build multiple income streams. Diversify. Keep a cool head when markets wobble. Mr. Beast does the same. He doesn't panic at fluctuating views. When you master debt, debt works for you. Pay on time. Credit reputation is gold. Need more credit? Boost score with clear plans. Good credit is like a passport. It opens every financial door. Good credit unlocks cheap loans. Rates rise? You won't dread compounding interest. Have you seen debt transform into assets? Apartment, stocks, startup, each can be financed. Who says debt's evil? You just didn't know how to wield it. Key, always ask, will I earn more than I owe? If yes, boldly hit borrow. If no, back to the drawing board. Learn more first. Go big but play smart. Borrow right, invest right, success follows. Millions in 3 months? Many have done it. They chose right debt, right investment, acted fast. Now it's your turn. Are you ready? Aim big, leverage debt, turn dreams into reality. And remember, debt can make you rich. If you're with me, don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit follow. Let's hit millions together. Start now.